I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your Payoneer balance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by visiting the Payoneer website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Add Funds section. Once logged in, look for the Add Funds option in the main menu. This is typically found under the Balance of Funding tab. Step 3. Choose your funding source. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to add to your Payoneer balance. Double check that you have sufficient funds in your chosen funding source. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review all details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully added to your account. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check the transaction limits on your funding source, as they can vary. Happy funding!